Want to learn how to create moving animations just like this? Well, keep watching. I'll be using canva.com, but you can use any still PNG or JPEG that clearly shows all of the character's parts that you'd like to move. In Canva, go to the Elements tab and pick any graphic. I typed in a little girl because that character fits my storybook. Pick a character that you like and click it to add it to a blank page. I just straightened it a little to center it. Now if you have Canva Pro, just click the share button at the top and download it as a PNG with a transparent background. You don't have to get a transparent background, but it makes the character easier to animate and edit at first. Don't worry, I'll show how to get a transparent background using a free website for those who don't have Canva Pro. If you're using the free version of Canva, just click the share button and download as a PNG. Then go to the website remove.eg. Here you can upload the PNG that you just created. Once uploaded, just remove the background for free. Now go to sketch.metademolab.com. This is a completely free site that allows you to turn your PNG or JPEG into a moving character in 4 easy steps. Click the Upload Photo button to select the image with the transparent background that you just created. Click Next, then move the points of the box around to make sure the whole character is selected. Click Next and it scans the image. Here is where you want to make sure the grayed out parts of your image are colored in. The pencil fills in parts of your character, and the eraser will deselect or uncolor parts. I'll zoom in to make it a little easier to be precise. You'll want to get the coloring close to the edges around your character for a more sleek-looking animation. The circles change the sizes of the brush. There's also an undo button if you make a mistake. I'll just use the bigger brush to make it easier. If you're finding this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Here I'm going in with the eraser to make the colored part as close to the edges as possible. Don't worry, you'll only have to do this once to get all the animations available on this site. Once finished editing, click the Next button. Here you usually don't have to do anything as long as the circles match the character's joints. As you can see, my image matches perfectly. If you want to move the lines, just click and drag. Click the next button, and you should see your image moving now. You can click the tabs on the left to see the different movements available. To get these saved, you have to click to enlarge each one, then download each movement separately. The 4 arrows at the bottom will enlarge the images. Then there are download buttons on the enlarged screen. Remember that you'll have to do this for each movement separately that you'd like to save and download. The site doesn't download a whole package. Once downloaded, just upload each MP4 to any canvas or background that you'd like. Click the tabs to change movements to find ones that suit your character. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps with your future creations.